Hey guys, welcome to another STUFR. We are in Chinatown in San Francisco today.
And we are going to show you where to eat, what to eat, because we have a local showing us the best spots in town.
Hi, I'm Zeene, and check out my channel, Zeene in Real Life, where we show you all about San Francisco, the best places to eat, the best things to do. And I'm so excited to be showing these guys around my favorite part of San Francisco, Chinatown.
Okay, let's not wait, let's just go.
Let's go! Chinatown San Francisco is famous for being one of the biggest of its kind. It is so much fun to stroll around and soak in all the Chinese culture and of course taste some amazing street food as you go along.
Want proof that we will show you the best food Chinatown has to offer in this video? Here's a sneak peek of what's coming up. We will start off with some sweets from a Chinese bakery. Then we will hit the best authentic steam buns in San Francisco. After that, it's time for some amazing meat like Beijing duck and even the Chinese version of beef jerky. We will stop for some of the best boba tea in town and even make our own fortune cookies. Stick around for that part of the video because it isn't as easy as it looks. We close off the food tour with an authentic yet modern dinner at the popular China Life restaurant, a must when you visit Chinatown San Francisco.
Oh guys, we gotta stop here. Eastern Bakery. It's one of the better bakeries here for pastries.
They had so much good stuff in this bakery. I went for the yellow bean filled puff pastry with preserved egg and ginger. What are you having?
I'm having a Chinese sesame donut with red bean paste filling. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm always happy when I can go into a bakery. This is no exception. Oh, it's really nice. Very fresh. Amazing.
I think you will love this even more because it has the yellow bean paste inside.
Oh wow.
And ginger. I will show you a close-up of it.
I think I've never had yellow bean paste before.
No, me neither. This is really nice.
I didn't know the red one.
So your pastry had a preserved egg in it, and usually the Chinese do duck egg, but in some cases they also use regular chicken eggs, which this one is, and it's essentially salted and just typically like buried and fermented, and so that's what you're eating.
Chinatown San Francisco is the oldest Chinatown in North America. Established in 1848 and with 24 square blocks, it is the biggest in the world. Enter through the famous Dragon Gate on Grand Avenue and you will dive into all the culture, shops, food, and even see some Chinese architecture.
So we just got some yummy food from Good Mongkok Bakery, which is very highly rated here in San Francisco. And they actually do something that's pretty unique to San Francisco. They do counter service dim sum. So the two items that we got that are highly recommended here are the cha su bao, which is the barbecue pork buns, and the shumai, which is a dumpling, a meat dumpling typically with a wonton wrap around it. And the other item that you should definitely get is the hagao, which is a shrimp dumpling. And that is made with shrimp in the middle, and on the outside, it's a steamed wrapper that is made with a potato starch. Really fantastic.
Oh wow.
This is amazing. The flavor is super rich.
Yeah, mine too.
The sauce is really nice. We
Great.
have these type
wow.
of bread things in the Netherlands where you can buy them in the supermarket. They're called bapao. They have nothing on this. The bread is so fluffy and airy, and the meat inside and the sauce that they use, perfect.
Amazing. Can we switch?
I will have to try that as well.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Chinatown not only has interesting shops and restaurants, it also has some famous squares where you will meet the locals. Portsmouth Square is one of those squares where you'll see locals playing cards, mostly for the money since the Chinese love to gamble, play chess, or simply enjoy each other's company. A replica of the statue of the Goddess of Democracy used in the Tiananmen Square protest was built there in 1999.
All right, we're in Hing Lung, and we're here with one of the two co-owners, Simon.
Yes.
You want to tell us a little bit about your business?
Well, this is a family business that my father owned since we were little kids when we came to America. And recently, me and my brothers have been taking over it, continuing the family business and trying to serve the local Chinatown, the real actual flavors, instead of all the chemicals like MSG and everything out there.
What would you recommend are the top things to buy when you're here at Hing Lung?
The sweet barbecue pork, the red pork.
Which one is?
That's right there.
One is hanging
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And when you buy these, you want to buy the lean, not the lean ones, but the juicy fatty ones right here, like these, like that right there. Yeah. And also the roast ducks, which is amazing because we use big lean ducks, not those big fat ducks. Which when you bite into it, usually when you bite into the fat ducks, you get none but oil coming out. But in ours, it's all lean meat.
So Simon was super nice. Look at all the food he gave us. Oh my God, we're gonna have such an awesome time trying this out.
Oh wow.
That's delicious.
I'm just gonna steal this and I'll see you guys later.
The jerky is so tender.
Yeah.
It is.
Like usually,
Yeah,
I'm used to like really tough jerky. This meat is melt in your mouth.
Yeah. Normally it's really chewy.
Yeah.
Like in Europe, or at least in the Netherlands, we don't have jerky. So the first time I ate jerky, it was the consistency which was really strange to try. But this, it just like you said, it melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah, it's
so
perfect.
so good. So good. So good.
Really moist. That belly, you could taste that fattiness to it.
I love the crunchiness of
It's really crunchy.
It's just a super tiny bit of fat. And just like he said, it's not too fatty.
Yeah.
It's so crunchy and so good. We also had barbecued pork and roasted duck, and the flavors were so good as well. Awesome. So we just had the most amazing experience in the Golden Gate Fortune Cooking Company, which is the oldest fortune cooking company here in San Francisco and the only one left that makes it manually. And we were allowed to make these not so good ones.
No.
This was my second try. The first try I couldn't even make, it was so hot.
How much do you do?
5?
5?
Faster.
Fire.
I think I have to fire here. Faster.
There you go. Oh, show me.
It's better.
Okay. Bring it up. Show me.
It was like super hot, so I could barely hold it. But Yeah, you could fold it in the beginning, but it was like, it took like, I don't know, a few seconds, and then it was already cooled down that much that you couldn't fold it anymore. Oh wow. Oh, it's like super crunchy.
I want to try.
Oh, I think it's the best fortune cookie I've ever had.
I want to take it. No, you can have it.
Yeah, man. We have to say a big thank you to the owner, Kevin.
Amazing.
So, such a nice guy.
I even put 2 fortunes in it so I think it will not be
You get
valid.
a double fortune.
A much needed vacation will bring great adventure. That fortune came true.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
much on our trip here on the West Coast. Do you want to eat this? Yeah.
If you pay attention, you will even find some hidden temples and shrines located on top floors of apartment buildings. We found the Tin Hao Temple on Waverly Place, and it's the oldest one in Chinatown. We were not allowed to film inside the temple, but we can assure you it's a small but gorgeous temple to put on your to-do list.
So I've had bubble tea before, but this is Boba Tea, and it's different. What's the difference between bubble and Boba Tea?
Well, so bubble tea was the original bubble tea, and it was called that because they used to take martini shakers when this was invented in Taiwan, and they shake it, and there'd be this frothy at the top that resembled bubbles. But then later on, they added what are called boba, which are these tapioca balls that are kind of black in color, and those are boba, and they're boba tea. Boba is actually Taiwanese slang for a part of the woman's body we won't really talk about on camera here.
And we don't like to talk about that body part. Anyway, just kidding. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's taste.
Yeah.
Should I go first?
Yeah.
I got the lychee one. I love lychee, and I couldn't resist when I saw this on the list. So here we go. Super refreshing.
Oh, I already get the smell over here. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I have the Green Queen. It's matcha and with lemon, honey, and mint, of course. Mint, very important. Also super refreshing. Also, the mint is very nice in there.
So I actually purchased the third one for Dennis and Tim to try, and this is very unique to Steap Tea. I have not found this at any other boba tea place, and this is called Purple Rain after Prince because, well, you know, it's all purple.
Yeah.
But it is made with what is called butterfly tea flowers, and it's a specific tea that's super mild, made from a flower, so it's got this floral essence to it. Flowers.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah?
Wow.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. Yeah, floral, but yeah.
It's a
Also
little
bit lemony, of
indescribable.
course.
You really have to come and try this for yourself.
Yeah.
This might actually be my favorite. I love the green teeness of the lychee one.
I haven't had
This
yours.
This is much more special.
Yeah.
Awesome. So you guys tried the boba tea as well. What did you think?
Yes, I loved it. So it just really tastes really natural, and you can decide on the sweetness. That's something very different, and so I just love matcha. So
Do you want to give somebody a shout out?
well, I'm here with my sisters. We're sorority sisters from Sigma Lambda Gamma. We were founded at the University of Iowa, and so this is kind of like a reunion trip. So a shout out to all Gammas. Yeah, thank you.
Fun fact. Chinatown San Francisco is so popular it attracts more tourists each year than the Golden Gate Bridge.
We end off our tour with the crown jewel of Chinese cuisine here at China Live. What is China Live? Well, if you think a little bit about Mario Batali's Italy in New York City, this is exactly that, but all about the Chinese food experience. And we are going to experience some Chinese food right here. We've ordered some of their most popular dishes.
So here we have the working hands dumplings. The inside is made out of pork. There's also cilantro in there, Sichuan pepper, also peanut butter, which sounds amazing. Oh wow, it's amazing. If you love dumplings, or like maybe also the Japanese gyoza or whatever, This is heaven.
So we have the Taiwanese 27 spices noodle soup with braised beef. It smells really good. It really has that multi-spice flavor that I know from China. It is so rich and so spicy, but it's not too hot or too not spicy as in oh I can't eat this, but it has all these different flavors combined.
Yeah.
Really perfect. So I'm gonna try the egg custard tart, and apparently they do the traditional one here at China Life, but they add a modern twist, and there's caramelized apple on top. There we go. This is a super nice way to close off this video. It is so good. The consistency is smooth. It's not too thick. The crunchiness of the sugar, or they have some burnt sugar on there as well. They give it like a creme brulee vibe with it. It is really nice. This has been such a nice day with all the nice food that Zeene showed us. I think we should bring her in to close off this video. Thanks for watching this video. We had so much fun and so much great food here in Chinatown. Thanks so much for showing us around, Zeene.
That was so much fun. I really enjoyed hanging out with these guys as well. And if you get a chance, check out my channel.
Sure.
Yes, and please leave a comment down below if you've ever been to Chinatown in San Francisco or any other US city. And like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And please also check out our Patreon site to support our channel.
Thanks so much, guys. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Do you want to see us stuff more food in our mouths? Then subscribe to our channel or watch another STUFR.